Welcome back. One of the ways you minimize the expense of working with an autoresponder is to keep a minimum number of lists, or in the case of MailChimp, which calls it an audience, by not having duplicate subscribers on multiple lists. And you can do that by making sure that the individuals within your list have what are called tags. And a tag is a way of identifying specific individuals for specific purposes within your email service provider. Every email service provider offers you a way once they've become part of your email marketing list. And the procedure is straightforward regardless of which process you are going to use. You are now looking at Shopify, which has its own shopping cart and has an integration with many email service providers. And we're looking at Shopify because it exemplifies one of the practices that you want to put into your process. And that is to make sure that individuals are tagged when they make a purchase inside of your shopping cart or purchasing process. And it's a process that you'll want to look for typically within your shopping cart where the user will be added to your email marketing list. As you can see here within the cloud-based shopping cart, Thrive Cart, one of the things you can do is you can apply specific tags to an individual that makes a purchase of a specific product in your system. And tags are important because you can design entire email campaigns around specific tags. And you are looking at a MailChimp broadcast email. One of the things we can do within a specific list is we can segment those individuals to specific tags that we have set up ahead of time. This allows us to operate one list with no duplicates with many tags for many purposes. The key is making sure that the individuals are going to be tagged when they are added to your email marketing list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.